Alright, so we'll kick this thing off by starting the stopwatches on each phone, where the Note 7 gets the step over the iPhone 7 with its quicker animations, but heading into the gaming row, both phones are neck and neck, where the iPhone actually takes the lead, finishing Asphalt 8 first and already working on Angry Birds. So as the Note 7 tries to finish loading up Asphalt 8, the iPhone 7 finishes loading up Angry Birds, putting it a full lap ahead early on in the speed test. Let's see if the iPhone 7 can add on to its lead here. And no, the Note 7 does a decent job at loading up Angry Birds, keeping the iPhone 7 from pulling ahead. But unfortunately, it doesn't do the same for Subway Surfers, with it struggling to load the game up, allowing the iPhone 7 to improve on its lead, with it now being a full 2 apps ahead. As the Galaxy Note 7 finishes up with Subway Surfers, the iPhone 7 starts working on Lapse-It, where each phone will have to create a time lapse from the same exact video file. And the new A10 Fusion chip just plows through it, already finishing the task and moving on to ESPN. Okay, so at this point, the question isn't whether or not the iPhone 7 will win this speed test. That's become pretty apparent by now, especially when you consider that the older iPhone 6s already beat the Note in a previous speed test. So what we're really looking for here is to see by how much the iPhone 7 will beat the Note, with it finishing the first lap with a time of 1 minute and 14 seconds, as the Note 7 is still working on Lapse-It. So with the iPhone 7 seeming to have all the apps ready to go in the background in this second lap, it's getting really close to lapping the Note 7, which is still working on processing that time lapse. So with Photoshop Mix being open, the iPhone 7 officially laps the Note 7 as it sprints to the finish line, getting a total time of 1 minute and 40 seconds. So with the Note 7 taking its sweet time here, we'll go ahead and fast forward it, where it finished that first lap a whole 24-second shot clock after the iPhone 7, and then proceeds to not have a few of the apps ready to go in the second lap, delaying its total time to a full 3 minutes and 14 seconds.